Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. My name is Amardeep Mishra and I am your aptitude trainer. And in this video, we are going to talk about the divisibility rule by 11. Okay. Now, please understand this rule very carefully because along with this rule, I will be telling you a lot many other things also. Okay. So divisibility by 11. So first of all, let's look at the format of 11. 11 is the format of 10 to the power n plus 1. This is the format of 11. Okay. So whatever numbers are having the format of 10 to the power n plus 1, for those type of numbers, we have a rule. And the rule says, depending upon this value of n, this n could be any natural number. Okay. This n could be 1, 2, 3, any natural number. Depending upon the value of n, we will start from the rightmost direction. Okay. And we will do the alternate plus minus. And the final value should be either 0 or a multiple of 11. Okay, let me explain this to you. I know that just by saying it would not be clear to you. So let's say we have a number 1331. We already know that this number is divisible by 11 because it's 11 cube. Okay, we know that. Now, you have to find out whether this number is divisible by 11 or not. Somebody who does not know the 11 cube, that person is finding out. Okay, now see, this 11 is what? 11 equals to 10 power 1 plus 1. So we will start from the right side. This is the right direction. And we'll gradually move towards the left direction. And 10 power 1 means at every one place, you have to move alternate plus minus 1, like plus, minus, plus, minus. That's how you will move from rightward towards the leftmost leftward direction. Okay. So this means what? This means if I find out this 1 minus 3 plus 3 minus 1, like I'm moving like this, 1 minus 3 plus 3 minus 1. So if you see this value is coming out to be what? 0. Okay. So if it is coming out to be 0, so obviously this number is divisible by 11. Okay. So this value should be coming out to be either 0 or a multiple of 11. In both of these cases, I would say that the number is divisible by 11. Okay. I hope this point is clear. Similarly, you have another number which is of format 101. 101 is what? 10 square plus 1 means 100 plus 1. So for this also the same rule is applicable. Just by looking at the power, this 10 power is what? 2 here. So we will make a group of 2. We'll make a pair of 2 and we will add and subtract alternatively starting from the rightmost end. Means, suppose we have a number 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 8, something like this. Okay. And you have to find out whether this number is divisible by 101 or not. Okay. So what we will do, we will form a pair, like pair of 2. One pair here, so plus another pair, then minus, then another pair, plus. So plus, minus, plus. Starting from the right side, starting from the plus sign. So plus, minus, plus, alternate. So what you have to do, you have to find out this 88 minus 46 plus 23. Okay, so 88 minus 46, if you do, you will be getting 42, and 42 plus 23, you will be getting how much? 65. Now 65 is coming out to be, okay, I mean this value is coming out to be 65. So hence this number, it is not divisible by 101. Okay, so you can write it like 65 by 101. So if somebody asks you, what is the remainder if you divide this number 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 8. If you divide this number by 101, then what is the remainder? Remainder is what? 65. Okay, this is how we can find out the remainder also. Right? I hope this point is clear to you all. Okay. Now, similarly, if I talk about 1001, 1001 is what? This is your 10 cube plus 1. Okay. So in this, I will be making triplets. Okay. One triplet, then, I mean, starting from the right side, triplet, then plus, minus, plus in the alternate sense. So, and yes, one more thing you have to keep in mind. Suppose, how can we write 1001? What is the factorized form of 1001? So the factorized form of 1001 is your 7 into, this would be 7 into 11 into 13. This is the factorized format of 1001. So if you see, 11 is one of the factors of 1001. So that means the rule of 1001 is applicable for 11 also. Okay, the rule of 1001 is applicable for 11 also. Means what I'm trying to say here, suppose for in 1331, you want to check whether this number is divisible by 11 or not. So what you can do, you take one triplet here, and at the end, this one is remaining. So this one you take alone, so plus minus like this. So 331 minus 1, if you do, you will be getting 330. Now see whether this number is divisible by 11 or not. This is clearly divisible by 11. Okay. So hence I will say that the entire number is also divisible by 11. So what I'm trying to tell here is, please listen to me very carefully. The point here is, which I'm trying to make, uh, the rule of divisibility by 11. You saw you have to take alternate plus minus, taking one digit at a time, starting from the right side, like plus, minus, plus. But if you take triplets, okay, like this, you took one triplet here, and if there is another triplet, for example, if you have to check for this number, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 8. So what you can do, you can take one triplet here and one triplet here. So plus minus. So in 688, you subtract 234. Okay. What value will come? 4, 5, 4, 4, 5, 4. Now check whether this number is divisible by 11 or not. Okay. You can see here, this number is not divisible by 11. Hence, this entire number is not divisible by 11. So what I am telling you here is the divisibility rule of 1001 is applicable for divisibility rule 11 also. Okay, so please keep in mind. This is how you can, like if you increase this value, for example, you have to find out for 10,001. 10,001 is what? 10 power 4 plus 1. So in this case, what we will do, we'll make the groups of 4 numbers, plus, minus, and then finally we will see whether the number is divisible by 10,001 or not. Okay, so I hope you are clear with the divisibility rules of 10 power n plus 1 format. Okay, now one more thing. Okay, let's look at this number. Find out. This is for you. Please try to solve this on your own. Find out whether this is divisible by 11 or not. Pause the video for a moment and find out. Okay. So what we can do, we can take like alternate plus minus, plus minus, plus minus, plus minus like this. Okay. So I'm doing it directly. Okay. I'm not writing it. So 9 minus 7 is what? 2. Okay. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 minus 1, 4. 4 plus 9 is what? 13. 13 minus 2, 11. So 11. This number is coming out to be 11. Okay. So I told you the value, final value should be either 0 or a multiple of 11. So this is a multiple of 11. This is 11. So obviously, this is divisible by 11. This number is divisible by 11. Okay. You can check it using the other way also. You can take triplets also. Okay. You can take like this one triplet and this one triplet. So 379 minus 291. This is how you can do. So it will be, difference would be 88. So obviously 88 is divisible by 11. So this entire number is divisible by 11. Now, one more trick I'm telling you. In one of the previous sessions, I talked about the divisibility rule by 9. What you do? You find out the digit sum. Okay, suppose we have a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and 7. So if I ask you if this number is divisible by 9 or not, so first you find out the digit sum, the sum of all the digits. So this is 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 5, 15, 6, 21, 21 and 7, 28. Now digit sum, it is 28. If digit sum is divisible by 9, then the entire number will be divisible by 9. Okay, that was the rule. Now, 9 is what? 9 is 10 power n minus 1. This is the format. If I put here n equals to 1, so I will be getting 9. So similarly, if I put here 10 n equals to 2. So what will be 10 power 2 minus 1? That is 99. Okay. So in these type of questions, I mean, for divisibility rule for 10 power n minus 1, what we do, we again start from the right side, but we keep on adding. We don't have to add and subtract on alternate basis, just like we had done for the 10 power n plus 1. For 10 power n plus 1, what we were doing, we were adding and subtracting, starting from the rightmost end. Rightmost end. But here we are not doing. Here we are just adding from the rightmost end. Okay. I hope this point is clear. So 99 is equals to 10 square minus 1. And similarly for 999, that will be what? 10 cube minus 1 means 1000 minus 1. So for 999, if you want to check divisibility by 999, what you have to do? You have to take triplets and keep on adding them. If you have to check divisibility by 99, what you have to do? You have to take two numbers at a time and keep on adding. For example, I take 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so you want to check whether this number is divisible by 99 or not. So what will you do here? You'll take this, and this and add them. Because the format is 10 power n minus 1. This is the format. So in this, you have to add only. So 67 plus 45, 6, 4, 100, 120, 120, and plus how much? 12, 3, 15. That is 135. Okay. So is 135 divisible by 99? No, it is not divisible. So this entire number will not be divisible by 99. Now, one more thing you have to keep in mind. If a number is divisible by 9, then the number will also be divisible by 99. Sorry, if a number is divisible by 99, then the number will by default be divisible by 9. If a number is divisible by 999, then the number will by default be divisible by 9. Because in 99, one of the factors is 9. 99 equals to what? That is 9 into 11. And 999 is what? 999 equals to 9 into 111. So here also you are getting 9. Here also you are getting 9. 9 is one of the factors. So for 9, you can add the numbers in pairs also. To check the divisibility by 9, you can add the numbers in pairs also. So what do I mean to say by this? Suppose you have a number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, you have this number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 111. This is the number. You want to check its divisibility by 9. So what we do? Normally 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 plus 4 plus 3 plus 2 plus 1, like this. Okay. Or what we can do, we can add in pairs also. Okay, like 11 plus 51 plus 34 plus 12. Okay, like this also we can add. I hope this point is clear to you. Or what we can do, we can add in triplets also, like take this triplet, 111, take this triplet, and then take this 12. Okay. So suppose if I find out the digit sum only. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, 6, 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 5, 15, 15, 16, 17, 18. So digit sum is coming out to be 18. That means this number is divisible by 18. This number is divisible by 9 for sure. Okay. Now understand one more point here. Suppose if I take 1 plus 2 and plus 34 plus 5 plus 1 plus 1, like this. I mean, I take 1 plus 2 plus 34. Here I took two digits together, and plus 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Now check the digit sum value. So 1 plus 2 is 3. Okay. 3 plus 5, that is 8. 8 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, 8, 3, 11. Now 34 plus 11 is how much? 45. Now 45 is divisible by 9. So that means this number is also divisible by 9. So for 9, you have to keep in mind, it is not a hard and fast rule that every time you have to add all the digits. You can add taking two digits also. Like 1, 2, and you took 34 also. Still you will get the number divisible by 9. Okay. Now, if you see here 99 has got 11 as a factor also. Okay. So you can say here that the rule of divisibility by 99 is applicable for rule of divisibility by 11 also. Very, very important points. Suppose I take the same number, this number which I had taken here, this 291379. This is 291379. I take this number. Okay. Now I am checking this number's divisibility using the divisibility rule of 99. Okay. So what will I do? I'll take the pairs like this. So 79 plus 13 is how much? 92. 92 plus 29 is how much? 121. Now 121 is divisible by 11. Yes. Okay. So this is how also I can check the divisibility by 11. So please do not get tied to only one single rule that I have to move from the rightmost direction and alternate plus minus plus minus. This is how also we can find out the divisibility by 11. Okay, so 11 is very interesting. 11 is present in 99 also. Okay, 11 is present in 1001 also. Okay, 1001 equals to what? 11 into 13 into 7. Okay, this is how we can break down 1001. And 11 is present in 11 itself. Okay, so this was about the divisibility by 11. If you have any kind of doubt, you can put your doubt in the comment box. And if you like the video, then please do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more such useful videos. In the next video, we will talk about the concept of trailing zeros. Okay, thank you so much for watching it.